7 data science tools you should be using in 2023. The following are the top 7 data science tools that will help you do your job faster. 1. TensorFlow. An end-to-end machine learning platform was developed by Google, so you know it's top-notch. It has a wide range of capabilities, including neural network training and inference, natural language processing, computer vision and more. 2. Jupyter Notebook. This web-based platform makes it easy to create and share code, visualizations, and narrative text. With its built-in tools for visualization and integration with other libraries, it's the ultimate tool for data scientists. 3. Keras. Keras is a deep learning Python API built on top of TensorFlow. It's an easy-to-use library that allows you to build and train neural networks. 4. Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization and presentation tool. It provides built-in data connectors for popular sources such as Excel and SQL. 5. Scikit-learn. This open-source ML Python library was built on top of NumPy and SciPy. Scikit-learn includes a variety of machine learning tools commonly used to perform classification, regression, and clustering tasks. 6. RapidMiner. This platform allows users to quickly prototype and test models with its tools for data pre-processing, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. It has an easy-to-use interface that makes it an attractive tool for non-programmers or juniors. 7. PyTorch. PyTorch, a machine learning library developed by Facebook, is an alternative to Google's TensorFlow. It has a lot of features, including dynamic computation graphs, neural network visualization and debugging tools, and more. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.